Hi guys, welcome to Future Forex Academy. Congratulations on taking this important step. This decision has the potential to shape your future in ways you never imagined. Starting this academy has been a long time dream and vision of mine. I've always wanted to create something truly unique in this industry, something that provides real value and fills the gaps that many traders face. In this course, I will be sharing insights and strategies I've never shared before. You will learn the basics and advanced methods of Forex trading, as well as multiple proven profitable strategies. Our goal is to teach you how to become a profitable trader, not a gambler, because there's a big difference between the two. With 8 years of trading experience, I've learned what truly matters, and I'm here to pass on only the most essential knowledge. I've faced the struggles, sifted through the misinformation, and now you do not have to. If you've taken multiple courses or watched hundreds of YouTube videos without finding success, I genuinely believe that this course could be the last one you'll ever need to achieve consistent profitability. I encourage you to approach this course with an open mind and dedication. Trust the process in which the course was designed and ask questions when you struggle. Remember, success in trading doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency, you will get there. As you embark on your trading journey, you may encounter people who judge or doubt you. Ignore them. The less you share, the less pressure you put on yourself to succeed, making the learning process much easier and more enjoyable. I wish you all the best with this course. Everything you'll learn here works. Now it's up to you to put in the effort and make it happen.